Hello everybody, this is Bo Smith, better known as Bo Knows Mortgages, and I am not swimming, not in this. I'm at 802 River Chase in Brandon. I'm at a listing that Steve Slay with Front Gate Realty has, and he asked me to come over because he wanted me to go swimming in this. Of course, I decided that maybe I should not go swimming, but possibly I could help renovate this particular house because it needs some TLC. And this is a perfect renovation opportunity for those that are in need of a pool. So I am sitting down in the water, just so you know. No, just kidding. You can see I'm sitting on the edge. But I want to kind of reach out because a lot of people don't know, but renovation loans actually make this a reality come true as far as fixing these particular problems and making this pool back to normal. We got someone that just joined us. I appreciate it, but you need to check it out. So we're going to do that. Can I get up? Yes. All right. So this house at 802 River Chase has got some problems. We've got a liner that has been pulled from a pool. We've got some tadpoles that are in this particular pool. We got a fence that definitely needs some replacement. We got a pool house of some form that needs some work, definitely some work inside. But this pool needs help, and a lot of times when we get asked about renovation loans, they always ask if there's a pool, do we do pool repairs? And depending on the style of the renovation loan, we can actually do pool repairs to bring it back to new, or we can build a pool depending on the other style of renovation loan. So there's two styles of renovation loans. One is a conventional home style. You can actually repair a pool or build a pool. And the other one is an FHA renovation, code name 203K. And unfortunately, it only allows you to renovate the pool back to new. In this particular case, both the conventional and our FHA 203K would work. But this house needs some love. Needs a lot of love. This house has been seen better days, a lot of deferred maintenance, and we're going to kind of explore a little bit. And I do this is because people look at houses online and they don't realize the potential, and of course they look at the house as turnkey move-in ready, only to realize these homes that are sitting in this particular shape, you can close on them and defer the repairs, close in one time after closing to start. You can do that with a renovation mortgage. So we're going to kind of walk around a little bit. We're going to see it a little bit. Again, this is 802 River Chase. We're live in Brandon, 802 River Chase at Front Gate Realty. The listing is from Steve Slay, and he asked me to come out and get some video of this particular house and see if we could kind of do something with this, especially with our programs, and I can assure you we definitely can do something with this. So if you're out there looking for a particular pool that's in Brandon, but necessarily don't want to go build a pool, and looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath that's in close proximity to the reservoir, or maybe Lakeland Drive, this is it. It just needs a little TLC. So, things to consider. So I'm going to turn this around. We'll take a little walk. This, as you can look up, we've got, and again, please understand, I'm a lender, not a contractor, so I'm just pointing out some of the obvious. So it looks like we've got some potential painting. Of course, I'm not a big fan of blue, but I guess at one time that was a big thing. Pool house, we do got a bathroom of some form in here, and a sink, but I say pool house, I guess an area where people actually could converge. The grill probably will come with the house if anybody wants it. The fence is definitely got to be redone. There was this add-on, you could probably look at it. I don't know if it was properly done or permitted right, but there is an add-on. It definitely needs some work. I was advised there was a dog at one time in the backyard that's kind of taken advantage of some of the wood trim, which is not uncommon. We're going to walk in. As we walk in, tile floor, outlets, fan, nothing. Looks like a stationary heater over there. I don't feel any foundation issues, but then again, and of course you got it heated and cooled. Just want to make sure this is properly permitted. But the good news is, if it was not properly permitted with a renovation mortgage, you can actually get it properly taken care of. Not a problem. Or with a renovation mortgage, let's say you don't like this. Let's say you don't like this little outdoor area. You want to take it down? You can take it down. You can demolish it. All right, so we're going to walk in. Ooh, this is a good shot. This is the kitchen. Typical kitchen. You got a stove, a sink, you got cabinets, but you know, got a lot of clients don't necessarily like this style of countertops, you know. No refrigerator, no problem. With a renovation mortgage, you can actually allow slip in to go in for a refrigerator for either a conventional or an FHA. Got some cabinets, but unfortunately it looks like someone did some painting and not a very good job, so probably need to paint. Again, I'm not a contractor, but then again, you know, we have clients that are taking the existing cabinets and just furring them up, giving a little bit more an illusion that they continue to go up. Unfortunately, we have no carpet in this room. This is the master room. No carpet, so we got to get that taken care of. The bathroom needs some TLC. We got his and hers closet in here. You know, no problem, but this bathroom has seen better days. But these are just amenities that can be cosmetically improved with these renovation mortgage. Not an issue that can add. A contractor can do that for you. As we pull out, master bedroom, it seems to be modestly sized, and it seems to be separate from the other side of the house. Okay, so as we walk across the living room, stained carpet, walking in the hallway, boom. We got another bedroom here with a closet. Got a bathroom, which, let me see if these lights will turn on. I'm sure they will. Okay, not that good. There we go. So the bathroom needs a little updating, but not a problem. You can do that. And of course, we got another bed in here. Again, modestly sized rooms, walk-in closets, not a particular problem. Walk back in, walk back out. We're going to walk out front, turn it around, boom. For those that are just joining us, me, I'm at 802 River Chase in Brandon with Steve Slay.
Hey, Bo. How are you, sir? Glad you came out today.
You have to get closer because of my mic.
Is that what it is? Okay.
Kiss him close.
No, I don't know about that close. Come on now. Come on.
All right. So anyway, we're going to get some videos of this. Everybody knows Steve. All right. So this is the house right here. Of course, Front Gate Realty right here. I think Steve advised me this, again, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You know, it's a little over 2,000 square feet. We talked about this is the entrance, of course, right here. We got Old Fannin Road, so you got a little bit of traffic, but as you come in, you got River Chase, goes all the way down, and the proximity to trails, like I would not believe. Of course, you know, you got the reservoir, you got the biking trails, so if you love to bike, you love outdoors, I mean, you're hop and skip away. I believe Ride South, if you love to bicycle, I believe it's right there, so that gives you the proximity to venture over there and meet it with a group of people and ride. Again, the price point of this house, you need to contact Steve to get more information on it, but this house is ready for an offer, but it's going to need some TLC. It's going to need some love. It's going to need someone to come in with a little bit of vision and someone that possibly wants a pool. Now, if you don't want a pool, we can fill the pool in. Not a big deal, but then again, for those that have always wanted a pool before, this is a good opportunity to buy into a pool, fix it up, and experience it. The best way to have a pool is buy an existing one with the pool. So we're going to walk in a little bit. As we walk in, this is the laundry room area. You got the kitchen, of course, a mini dining room area right there. Look at those fluorescent lights. I love it. I love it. All right, we're going to walk in right here. Again, this is the addition that was in the house. I don't understand the potential purpose, but I would think that it would be close to the pool. I'm sure with everything up, they were looking at the water back here, but not everyone likes that. So here's our problem. This is probably the main eyesore. I think we got a few turtles and frogs in there. But relatively nice sized backyard, but it needs some repair to the fence. Definitely issues with the pool. You know, need a new liner, need it cleaned. I don't know much about the pumps. We got a pool house here. It does have a new roof, so that's a good thing. I've been in the house, the AC is going well, so it seems like the air conditioning's working well. It just needs some cosmetic love. But the good news is, at a price, with a renovation mortgage, this house could be yours. Now, for those that are just joining us, please understand, I'm a mortgage lender. I'm not guaranteeing anything in reference to this particular house, just offering programs that possibly can assist you making a decision to buy this house and purchase it and close under one note. Another disclaimer, I work for Cornerstone Home Lending. This information I'm sharing with you is not guaranteed or endorsed by Cornerstone Home Lending. This is just informational program insights about the renovation loans. And we're not guaranteed that they will work in all jurisdictions. So you need to get with a professional mortgage advisor and find out for yourself if these will work for you. That's my disclaimer. So, Bo Knows Mortgages, Bo Knows Renovation. We're still here. We're still trying to get a little idea of what we could do with this particular property as we go around and take advantage. I love a pool. I have a pool. Pools are fun. I like pools that are already existing. Got a nice little backyard here if you want to put together a little garden of some form, flowers. Good area to kind of take in some sun. This house will be priced to move, but those that come looking will need to be advised that this house needs some work. And we got bubbles coming up on the pool. I'm definitely assured we got a turtle in there. And we have a diving board, and I'm going to try it myself right now. No. So, if you know somebody that's interested in taking on a fixer-upper, if you know someone that's interested in living close to the reservoir, in proximity to biking trails, Ride South, which is right across the street, but also wants the amenities of pool but doesn't want to build a pool, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The master's on one side of the house, the other 2 bedrooms on the other. This is the house that you possibly need to consider. It's not that, I guess, brand new roof. It just needs a little bit of cosmetic TLC. That's it. And unfortunately, as you can see, that's probably what's going to scare most people away, is this right here. That's something with renovation mortgages we definitely can fix. So pass the word around. Let people know. Share if you care, because these programs can change the lives of how people buy and sell, and yet they don't know about it. They don't know because they don't know. And because these particular programs have been around for quite some time, but unfortunately there's just not enough lenders that specialize in them, it creates a little bit of a conundrum in our communities when we're out there talking about them. So that's why we take advantage of these opportunities to chit-chat and bring to you opportunities when things like this exist. Not every house is a perfect house. In fact, majority of all homes in the United States that are bought and transacted in 2014, according to the National Association of Realtors, were built in 1991. Barely pushing 1,900 square feet and 3-bedroom, 2-bath. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And so a lot of these homes are going to have deferred maintenance. And according to the National Association of Realtors statistics, 53% of the home buyers post 3 months after buying go out and do renovation mortgages over $4,500. 3 months post closing go out and do renovations to up to $4,500. Not that they do a renovation mortgage, but they're out there spending money to make improvements to their house. So therefore, there are individuals that are doing this, and a lot in the United States, that are buying homes and doing work after they close. So now you can buy a house, fix it up, close one time with the variations of different mortgages such as the FHA 203K or the conventional HOMESTYLE. No more having to hustle this money up after closing or go out and find the perfect house. Homes like this with a pool like this can be fixed and repaired, and all this added to your loan and closed in one time. We just need insightful individuals and creative opportunities for people to realize that these programs exist. So help us spread the word. 802 River Chase in Brandon, Front Gate Realty, Steve Slay. He asked me to come out here because Houston, we have a pool problem. And if you love pools like I love pools that are already existing. The hole's dug. We just need a liner, probably a few other things as well. Of course, please understand, I am not a contractor. I'm just a lender. I'm just making some observations, providing you some information, not endorsing or guarantee programs work specifically for you. But I do note that these programs work for circumstances like this. So let's get out there, let's make it happen, let's share if you care. These particular homes need updating, and I mean updating, sometimes just a little bit of cosmetic love. For those that are just joining us again, or as we walk in, as you can see, little kitchen is fine, but these countertops may not work for everybody. Paint job, no problem. Renovation mortgages consist with that. We need new flooring, no problem. The renovation mortgage consists with that. Those that need appliances, such as a refrigerator, not an issue. The renovation mortgage can assist you with that as well. Nice sized master bedroom. We walk into the master bathroom. Got his and her closet, but we've got a little dated fixtures. We got a little dated components here, countertops and paint. Not an issue. Not with the renovation mortgage. These programs can transform this house into the home that you've always wanted. But again, not a lot of people know. So, take an opportunity, if you look at this video later on, consider these options that can be done with these particular programs, and do understand this house has got problems. They got problems that can be fixed with money. And there's where these particular renovation programs come into fashion. Got stained carpet, not an issue. Let's just pull the carpet up and get new flooring. You may not like the mantle look, let's change it. As we enter in the hallway right here, you know, as I mentioned to this bathroom that we've got, let me turn on this other light. You know, nice size bathroom, but maybe you don't like the insert. Maybe you want something different. Maybe you don't like the countertops right there. Not a problem. The bedrooms in this house, like I said, are 3-2. Nice size, not an issue. Have a walk-in nice closet right here. Goes around the corner. And then you have the other bedroom that goes in this area. So it gives you the privacy if you have a small family, that you're on one side, which is the master's over there, and the other are over here. So not a bad option. So something to consider. So we're out there trying to spread information on these particular products, and it always helps when we run into homes like this, because sellers, and in particular real estate agents, are concerned about how they're going to sell these. So we use this platform to provide information to individuals out there to let them know that these programs exist. All they got to do is pick up the phone and call me, Bo Smith, with Cornerstone Home Lending, or look up BoKnowsMortgages.com and kind of inquire about this. Then again, Steve Slay is more than happy to help you. If this is not the house you want, but you want to buy another house and fix it up, it's not an issue. We're more than happy to help you with that. But this one was a good example. A good example. Pool problem, not a problem for Cornerstone Home Lending, not a problem for me. We can resolve this with our renovation programs. As I mentioned earlier as a disclaimer, the information I'm providing is just information only. There's no guarantee or endorsement by Cornerstone Home Lending. The information within this video is not a guarantee that you yourself can actually get a mortgage loan with the renovation. So we encourage you personally to reach out to a professional mortgage advisor, such as myself, if that's the case, and inquire about it. You know, this is for information about how to buy a house and fix it up, because I can assure you, be it conventional or be it FHA, there's going to potentially be problems of trying to fund and close on this house because of the deferred maintenance if you're trying to get mortgage financing. Great area over here, good location. It just needs some TLC. So pass it around. Again, 802 River Chase, Brandon. Steve Slay. with Front Gate Realty, who's actually tagged on this video, so you can actually communicate back with him. So, and share if you care. A lot of people don't realize that these programs exist. I mean, I'm using this house as an example, and I'm very highly appreciative that Steve brought me out here. But then again, understand that this program is not specifically just for this house. It's for a lot of other areas as well. But then again, check your local jurisdiction areas and your professional mortgage advisor to find out. So I'm out of here. It's starting to warm up a little bit. We look forward to hearing from you, seeing you make a difference the next time you buy and purchase. Adios.